My heartiest greetings and a happy Meghalaya Day to everyone. On this auspicious day, the 21st January 1972, our forefathers fought and achieved this statehood for all of us, in sync with the hopes and aspirations of our beloved people. It is only appropriate to remember the uniqueness of the manner in which statehood movement was driven and given fruition, without having to resort to any violence, without having to shed even a single drop of blood. It is therefore very important for everyone from across the region, from across the nation, to replicate the approach that was adopted by our forefathers, who understood the power of nonviolence and the power of unity. It is therefore only appropriate for all of us to take a pledge to reinforce this whole spirit of unity and oneness and take the state to greater heights.